Welcome back to TmezTv. Oh boy, it looks like I'm missing another driver's meeting, but the cars aren't ready. She's not done until she's on the ground. And I do the magical turns over there and on the other side. And like that, it is go time. I'm about to hit the track for practice, get the cameras up on top, and we're gonna go qualify. We are at Sweet Springs, Missouri, and this place is a cool track. About to roll on the track. Check this out. How badass is that car? I like that. Just got done with qualifying, and man, this EA Stealth is ripping, and it feels like it's like making 1,000 horsepower, but we're not qualifying as good as the motor feels. But I was a little tight on the setup. You know, this place is kind of a paper clip, and I was backing the thing in, and the thing would just kind of get left for tight off the corner, so we aired up, put a little bit more stagger in, and it just wasn't enough. I didn't have enough time to change the springs that I needed to, but hey, same for everybody. That puts me on the front row. That means I gotta go win a heat race. And this day, I need to actually win the heat race, not just talk about it. So we're gonna go win the heat race, start the thing up front. As always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Old Felker must have had a lot of gear in that thing to run the bottom, because he was slowing us down a bunch, and he kind of snookered me on the start, so hats off to him. That's how it be sometimes. Don't forget to tell them.
I won't forget to tell them. Thomas, you were kind of pinching down Felker, but it seemed like your car was working the best in the middle. Did you just want to be in the middle, or were you trying to pinch down Felker there to maybe make him lose some momentum so you could get around the outside?
You know, we just didn't qualify that just didn't qualify that good, and I needed to win that. Is this on? Didn't, and we won that, and wow, this is worse than I thought. Hey, if you didn't know, I got a YouTube channel. Go check it out, TmezTv. As always, thanks to Engler, Davey, Step, and everybody at the RMS camp.
T-Mez, Thomas Miserall, your winner of car RAD.
Just got done with the heat race, and we got interviewed and did exactly what I said I needed to do yesterday and didn't do it. Today, we got it done. So that should start us in the top 10. So that's what we're looking for. Check out the micro kids, getting ready to go rip the lip. This place is pretty cool. Port City, no, Sweet Springs, Missouri. This place is pretty rowdy. So the car was so good, I don't know what I should do. But the track's going away, so right rear end, lose a little stagger, raise the nose, fuel it up, and put some tear-offs on. Thanks for watching TmezTv. Well, it is go time here on TmezTv. We are starting 10th.
All right, you got it.
was awesome. I drove my ass off to get there. I got to the 40 car, and Dave doesn't like that guy, so I did everything I could to drive by that car. There was laps where I couldn't see the curb, but boy, when I caught it right, but then I just was like, man, it's too risky. I didn't want to like wheelie it off in the fence or something because we were
give you a show, and you did give us a show coming from kind of far back in the field, but as I said, podium last night, podium tonight. Do you feel like you and the RMS team, along with this Engler 4 motor, have the package to be a championship contender? Because you were kind of buried down in points tonight, but over the last 2 nights, you've really done yourself a good job of building yourself back up. So is this a championship contending team?
Yeah, we don't race for points. We race for W's, and you know, we're so close. This thing is so close. If I could only figure out how to qualify, if God could give me the talent to qualify, we could win races. But instead, he gave me the talent to drive by everybody. So here we are, and thanks for coming out. Thanks for joining us as always. Thanks to everybody back home. Love you guys.